Hi, how is everyone doing today? Today is Thursday and a beautiful after the storm day. Let's see who's joining today. I hope everyone along the Gulf Coast, people in Florida, um, that they're doing well, that you guys are doing well after the storm. I know here in Metro Atlanta, we didn't have much activity, just a little rain. But in other southern areas that Hurricane Michael passed through. So hope everyone is doing fine. Hope everyone family um, didn't get affected much by the storm. Let's see who's going to join me today. Who's gonna join me today? If I could sing, then I would sing a little song for you guys. But anyways, so what I wanted to talk, this came from a conversation I was having actually this week, and just about the feeling of when you're in business that it feels like you need to know everything, or if you don't know something, sometimes you're afraid to admit it, and sometimes this feeling or this complex that we have can be very detrimental to our business, because when it's time for us to get the knowledge and seek the information that we need, it's basically too late. So this is specifically related to the topic profit versus cash. And what happened, I was speaking to a business owner, and she was just explaining how that how come my profit is a certain amount, but I'm not seeing that amount in my bank account. Is like, what's going on? How do I know if I need to be paying myself more? Because I'm getting all these statements and I'm looking at them, but it's saying that I'm extremely profitable, but there is not a lot of the profit number that's showing on my statement is not basically cash that I have in my bank account. And this is pretty common. When you start a business, you start realizing that, okay, why is it saying that I have certain amount of profit, but when I go check my bank statement, that is a completely different amount. And also your taxes are also based on your profit. So you may have a higher profit, not much cash, but you may get a tax bill. So those are some of the things that you have to balance in business. And the reason why is because there are only certain things that a profit measures in your business. It measures basically what's classified as income and expenses. So profit is technically, hi Marcy, profit is technically, I would admit, it's an accounting number, a financial reporting number. While cash measures the movement in and out of your bank account. So every single way how your business uses cash, it gets factored in. So what you have to do as a business owner is try to understand, how does your business generate cash? If you're charging, let's say $2,000, what are some of the expenses that you have to charge based on that $2,000 that you're charging? And what are some of the things that you have to pay? How much of it you have to pay in cash? How much of it you have to pay in credit? And especially if people are paying by credit card, then they may get fooled, because sometimes you're going to be showing more cash and sometimes you're going to be showing less cash. So you have to understand how to basically balance that movement in cash, because you'll completely get fooled that, oh, I'm profitable, I'm making so much, my profit was $100,000, $50,000, $12,000, but when you look in your bank account, it's saying like $2,000. So you really have to know how to balance those two, basically on the cash, to look to see how your business, what are you spending cash on? Do you have credit cards that you're paying? Do you have back debt that you're paying? Do you have things that basically that are not reported as a expense that uses up your cash, what about money that you're basically spending on your personal self? So some of those things are what pull cash out of the business and may affect your cash balance, while your profit will be a total different number. And as I said that, when it comes to taxes, it's not based on how much cash you have in the bank. It's based on how much profit you have to report. So I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any question. And the key to remember is that your profit and your cash, that a lot of time they're never going to be the same. You may make, show $10,000 in profit, but, you may only have, say, $5,000 on your bank statements, or sometimes you may have more. It depends on what's going on every month and how much money you're basically keeping in the business and carrying over. So those are some of the things that you will see that you will have to manage being a business owner. That is not only what's going on in your bank account, but in order to have cash, you need to be profitable, but your profit does not really reflect the amount of cash that you have in your bank account, but you still have to make a profit in order to generate cash, if that makes any sense. Also, I have wanted to tell you guys real quickly about the Consultants Financial Bootcamp that is starting again. I am super excited. Last month, had a fun group. We had a good time learning about business financial, keeping your business healthy, learning about different ways to use the additional cash that your business generate, tax planning strategies that basically save money and help you to keep money in your business. So if you're working with someone, or if you're new in the business and looking for ways to basically keep more of the money that you're making, to start making good financial decisions for your business, which basically will translate into more money for yourself, then this is the program for you. It's a 4-week financial boot camp, and I'm signing people up as we speak right now. And if you're interested, the way to get signed up is to send me a message. There's no link or anything to provide, so you'd have to send me a message or comment on this video, and then we can have a quick chat and to see, if this is something that is a fit for you and for your business, and then we can go from there. So, understanding how to, manage your business financials, your profit, your cash, and all those other things when you're starting to scale your business, hiring contractors, hiring employees. We get really into depth into some of those items so that, you can walk away being extremely profitable and also having a lot of cash flow, as well as keeping some of that money that you've already making in your business so that you can, live your dream, donate as much as you want to your favorite charities and program, help those that you want to help, or go on that vacation that you want to have that financial freedom, because we know that, or have personal freedom, because we know that that comes with, having just a little more money to spend. But anyways, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. The financial bootcamp starts on October 23rd. October 23rd. Starts on October 20. Gosh, time is just flying. October 23rd, and I am hoping to see you in that boot camp, learn about your business. Come and challenge me, ask as many questions as you want, and you will walk away with all the worksheets and all the planning strategies that's going to help you basically save money, not only in 2018, but in 2019 and future years. But anyways, I am Ronica Brown, and I help business owners to save money on their taxes and increase their monthly cash flow. Bye for now.